finally got. I know we had like the browser version, but the problem was the browser one that was working yesterday was the problem with it was all written in JavaScript, and now we've got a Python set of libraries to it that are working. Check it out. This was 2 days worth of protocol hacking, so we finally got this thing working. So, just a very brief update here on what I've been working on for the last couple of days. We've been trying to get this thing working with Python because obviously our entire framework is written in Python, and I don't want to have like a mixed stack here. So we've now got data flowing out of this thing. We can start experimenting with LiDAR and map building, which is going to lead to auto navigation and pathfinding, which is going to lead us to having an addressable stack through the SMCP for every one of your AI agents on any Unitree robots. So that's amazing. That's where we're at. That's the update for the last 2 days. And I can't tell you what a slog this was, but I'm glad it's finally over and we're moving on to the next thing. Stay with us.